This is JR from R Enterprises with the 5-minute drill on truck number 7861. It is in like new condition. Mileage is under 100. The chassis is a 2023 Chevrolet G4500 with 158-inch wheelbase. It is two-wheel drive. Engine is V8 gasoline. Overall length is 276 inches. Overall height is 109 inches. Headroom is 72. It's a P&L custom body donor unit. It has new paint, new rotary latches, new paddle latches, new gaskets, new alley arc moose bumper with speakers mounted inside the bumper, new wheel siren and speakers, new wheel LEDs all around the outside and the inside. It has a 3,000 watt trip light inverter. It has a new HVAC system. Body configuration is left front oxygen. Additional storage inside. L number 2 compartment adjacent to oxygen has a couple adjustable shelves. L3 is a sliding tray above the wheel well. L number 4 features inside-outside access above the top shelf with an additional adjustable shelf below. It has new rub rails, new running boards, new wheel liners, new drip rails, and all new diamond plate package, corner guards, mud guards, rear kick plate, and a new aluminum framework, new aluminum diamond plate, and new grip strap flip-up rear step. The load height is 33 inches. Interior configuration is the left side attendant seat with storage below, behind, and above. It has rear and forward action areas. Power distribution quarters is behind the attendant seat. It has a combination child and adult attendant seat. It's a type 3 walk-through configuration. It has a new front console, storage for beverages and documents. Also new LED switches and switch panel. Has storage above the squad bench, glove compartments, storage beneath the squad bench, waist and sharps at the head of the bench, inside-outside access on the ALS cabinet. R2, the right rear compartment, is for backboards. It also has inside-outside access with adjustable shelves. Has a body side window on the curb side. Inside-outside access to the front ALS compartment, and also a battery tray with capacity to store 2 additional batteries and 1 under hood. 3 total. If you have questions or would like more information on truck number 7861, please call 1-833-REMOUNT, REMOUNT, or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.